The Mini Convertible is a small four-seater convertible that takes the Mini hatchback's cute looks and adds a folding fabric soft top for open-air driving. You have a choice of 4 petrol engines and 2 diesels, ranging from 102 horsepower to 231 horsepower in the range-topping John Cooper Works, which comes with stiffer suspension and will be the choice for hardcore driving enthusiasts who desire some roof-down action. The Mini Convertible gets the same high-quality interior as the Mini hatchback. The most important addition is a satisfyingly chunky toggle switch above the rear-view mirror, which will fold the convertible roof back in 18 seconds at speeds up to 18 miles per hour. There's plenty of space up front for the driver and passenger, and even with the roof down, our 6'3" tall tester found the cabin plenty comfortably at an 80 miles per hour motorway cruise, without too much buffeting from the wind, thanks to the wind deflector fitted across the back seats. If you want to carry 4 people, then you'll have to take the deflector out and suffer more wind noise. The Mini Convertible has 215 liters of boot space with the roof up and 160 liters with it folded down. That's 25% more room than in the previous version of the convertible, and with the roof down we had no problem fitting 3 carry-on suitcases in the boot. Mini Convertible diesel engine. There is only one diesel option for UK buyers, the 1.5-litre, 3-cylinder 116 horsepower Cooper D, which is available with either a 6-speed manual or an automatic gearbox. Mini Convertible petrol engines. The least powerful petrol engine is the turbocharged 3-cylinder 1.5-litre unit in the Mini Cooper version of the convertible. It has 136 horsepower and will scamper from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 8.8 seconds. We actually preferred the sound to the more powerful Cooper S version when we drove it on the launch, and it will zip to the red line on country roads without getting you to illegal speeds as quickly as the Cooper S. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive videos.